हेलो दोस्तों, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। मैं हूं आपका दोस्त मुकेश कुमार। जैसा कि आज मैं फिर आप लोगों के सामने एक स्टोरी लेके हाजिर हूँ, जिसमें हम लोग क्या करेंगे, अपनी रीडिंग का उपयोग करेंगे। ठीक है, इस स्टोरी का नाम है द ग्रीडी जमींदार। ठीक है, तो चलिए देखते हैं इसे। ओके, तो देखेंगे हम लोग इसे स्पेलिंग के थ्रू। ठीक है, RAJNATH राजनाथ, TOOK टुक, PRIDE pride, INN BEING, CALLED called, THE the, VILLAGE village, JAMINDAR जमींदार, EVEN even, THOUGS thought यानी सोचा, HE STAYED stayed, INN THE the, SCITY city यानी शहर, HE LIKED like में पसंद किया, TO2 COME calm, ONCE once, EVERY every, MONTH month यानी महीना, TO2 HAVE have, LOOK look, AT at, THE the, FIELD fields, and TALK talk, TO2 HIS his, MANAGER manager, KESHAV केशव, ONE1 DAYD, HE SAW सा, FIELD field, ON THE the, WAY way, and WAS was, STRUCK struck, BY by, THE the, BEAUTY beauty, OF of, THE the, STANDING standing, CROP crop, WHAT what, IS is, THIS this, YOU HAVE have, PLANTED planted, HERE here, ASKD asked, RAJNATH Rajnath, WITH with, THE the, PRIDE pride, OFA ZAMINDAR zamindar, WHO who, OWNED warned, SUCH such, FINE fine, PLOT plot, OF of, LAND land, SIR shall, THIS this, IS is, NOT not, OUR our, LAND land यानी कि जमीन, OUR our, LAND land, BGINS beings, THRE there, KESHAV केशव, POINTED pointed, OUT out, TO2 THE the, NEARBY nearby, FIELDS fields nearby fields, RAJNATH Rajnath, NOTICED noticed, THAT that, THE the, CROPS crops, ON THE the, NEARBY nearby, FIELDS fields, WERE POOR poor, INN COMPARISON comparison, DODO THIS this, FIELD field, and THE the, PLANTS plants, LWK looked, VERY very, WEAK weak, and WSASTED was wasted. WHYYIS is THE the CROP crop when on THIS this land land SO so zero really good ASKED asked RAJNATH Rajnath THIS this IS is a BERY very FERTILE fertile यानी कि उर्वरक LED land SIR सल REPLIED replied KESHAV केशव PS its LOCATION location IS is SUCH such THAT that TH the RAINWATER rainwater BRINGS brings ALL all TH the SILT silt FROM from th the uplands uplands and deposits deposit it here here renewing renewing th the fertility of th the land RAJ RAJNATH Rajnath WAS was IMPRESSED impressed WHO who the OWNS owns THIS this PIECE peace OF of land HEASKD asked THIS this BELONGs belongs to SARJU Sarju ANSWERED answered KESHAV Kesav HEWONS once ONLY only THESE these TW2 ACRES acres IN TH the ENTIRE entire VILLAGE village AND HESPENDS spends MOST most OF of HIS his TIME time HERE here SEND send HIM him TO2 ME me SAID sad RAJNATH Rajnath KESHAV Kesav PASSED passed on TH the MESSAGE message TO2 SARJU Sarju APPEARED appeared TH the next DYD AT TH the HOUSE house OF of TH the JAM INDAR zamindar YOU HAVE have a FINE fine FIELD filled SARJU Sarju SAID sad TH the ZAMINDAR zamindar ITS its AWL all GODS courts GRACE grace and YOU your KINDNES NEWS kindest ZAMINDAR zamindar SAHIB साहिब, SID सैड, SARJU सरजू, HAPPY हैप्पी, 88 HEARING hearing, HIS LAND, BEING being, PRAISED depressed। आई होप आप लोगों ने ध्यान दिया होगा किस तरीके से स्टोरी को पढ़ा है हमने। ठीक है, इसको प्रैक्टिस कीजिएगा फिर से देख करके। तो मिलेंगे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, आज के लिए इतना ही। जय हिंद।